Right now, we are driving the BRZ for the last time in a. We are headed to the shop, and we loaded up all the turbo stuff. I'm nervous. Jeez, I guess this is it. I have honestly no idea what to expect, but we've got a ton of stuff going on this car. We have a DW fuel pump. We've got the ID 1050X is going in. The flex fuel kit's already installed. A Verus AOS. There's a Killer Bee oil pickup. So we're gonna give it a try. This is the first POV I've filmed, so I mean, hopefully the angle is somewhat good. They'll get better, but yeah, I don't know. I just felt like before it gets turboed, I have to at least get one POV in. So that's pretty much what this is. The car is gonna make roughly, gosh, I want to say it'll make around 280 on pump gas, and probably closer to 350 on E85, which is plenty. That's as far as I want to push it. I'm not trying to build the engine and, you know, go that route. So I really hope everything is included in this turbo kit. I got new gaskets, I got some random things. I know we're gonna switch spark plugs and random things like that, but, and I mean, like that pull right there, I was basically flooring it. It needs a little help for sure. So on the way to Edmond. Shout out to Speedhouse for hooking this up. For anyone wondering, I'm tuning with Zach with Counterspace Garage. He's one of the few people that I haven't heard any bad complaints about. So, you know, a lot of people say go delicious, and while, you know, I was going with them originally, heard a few bad things about him, and so we're going with Zach. People say Zach doesn't fail, so we'll find out. I don't think we'll have any issues. I mean, turboing a non-turboed car, we're gonna have some little hiccups, but overall, you know, I'm pretty excited. I've never even drove a turboed car, let alone like all this stuff I'm doing. So I want to do some more POV videos with the new mic and get some good turbo noises for you guys, and, you know, try and get out some good content. I want to start uploading more, and I mean, this seems like a pretty good opportunity to do it. We're gonna give it a try. Might as well. I cannot get over the fact how goofy I probably look with this GoPro, but I mean, it is what it is. Here's all the parts. Excuse me, sir. This should be really interesting. That's about it. I mean, I just wanted to give a last quick drive, and fingers crossed, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to follow the build and see what it's like turboed, and I'll make some comparison videos of before versus after. You know, I was on the fence for a really long time about doing this. A used kit came up. I worked out a filming deal with Speedhouse, filmed some content for them to have them put this JDL kit on, and now we're here. Now we're taking it up. So let me know how the audio is. Let me know how the POV is, if there's anything I should do differently or that you guys want to see. And oh man, I really want to go around you, but I won't. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and I will see you further along in the build. I'm gonna try and do a pull. I don't know how people do this. I hope it picked it up.